Next, in this session, we are going to discuss about the POS problem. Already we are discussed SOP. Next, here we are going to discuss the POS problem. POS means product of sum. Here is the problem y a comma b comma c comma d. Y it indicates the function. Here pi given values 0, 1, 3, 5, 6, 7, 10, 14 and final value 15. Before solving this problem, we have to prepare the truth table. Here is the truth table. A comma b comma c comma d are the variables. It means 4 inputs. Next, here is the function column. Next, we have to enter the ones. Given value here is a 0. We can fill the 0. Decimal value 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Total possible values 16. Here is the 0. You can enter the 0 number. Enter 0. Next, given value 1. You can fill 0. Next, given value 3. You can fill 0. Next, given value 5. Here is the 5. You can fill 0. Next, 6. Here is the 6. You can fill 0. Next, 7. You can fill 0. Next, 10, 14. Final value 15. Next, remaining you can enter 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. This is how we can prepare the truth table for given problem. Next, we have to draw the K-map. Here is the 4 variables. It means we can draw the 4 variables K-map. Next, you have to enter the cell number starts with 0, 1. You can skip 1 column. Next, enter 2. Next, 3. Again 4, 5. You can skip 1 cell. 6, 7. Next, you can skip 1 row. Here is 8, 9. Again you can skip 1 cell. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Next, given values 0, 1, 3, 5, 6, 7, 10, 14, 15. You can enter the 0 for given values. Here is a 0. It indicates the 0th cells. You can fill 0. Next, here is the 1 cell number 1. You can fill 0. Next, given value 3. Here is the cell number 3. You can fill 0. Next, given value 5. Here is the 5. You can fill 0. Next, given value 6. Here is a 6. You can fill 0. Next, 7. Here is the 7. You can fill 0. Next, 10. Here is the 10. You can fill 0. Next, 14. Here is a 14. You can fill 0. Again 15. After entering the zeros, remaining cells you can enter 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. In SOP problem, here is a into B. In the POS problem, here A plus B. In case if it is a 1, you can enter the complement or a bar. Here 0, 0, A plus B. In case if it is a 0, 1, you can enter the 1 means complement. A plus B complement. 1, 1, A complement plus B complement. 1, 0 means A complement plus B. After entering the zeros, you can map together first preference octet, second preference quad, third preference pair. Here we can't get any octet because there is no 8 zeros either horizontal or a vertical. Here easily we can get a 1 quad 0 0 0 0 4 zeros. You can map it. This is a quad 1. Next again here is a 0 0 0 0. Yes, we can get a another quad number 2. Next there is no quad. Here is a 0, here is a 0. Yes, we can map one pair M0 M1 one pair. Next here is a 10 0 means you can get the one pair. It means we get the 2 quad and the 2 pairs. Next we have to solve the expression. First one quad 1. Here is a M0 value. It is intersected in the first row and the first column. First row variable a plus b. Next column 1 value c plus d. M0 values a plus b plus c plus d. Again M1 values M1 it is intersected in the first row and the second column. First row value a plus b, second column c plus d. A plus b plus c plus d complement. Next M2 values. M2 means first row last column. It means a plus b c bar plus d. M2 a plus b plus c bar plus d. Next M3 values. M3 values means a plus b c bar plus d bar. M3 values a plus b plus c bar plus d bar. Next one M5. Here is a M5. It is intersected in the second row, second column. A plus b complement. A plus b complement. Next c plus d complement. C plus d complement. Next one M6 value. M6 second row last column. A plus b c bar plus d. A plus b complement c complement plus d. Next one M10 values. Here is a M10. M10 it is intersected in the last row and the last column. It means fourth row, fourth column. A bar plus b, column wise c bar plus d. A bar plus b, c bar plus d. Next M14 values. Here is a M14. Third row, fourth column. A complement plus b complement c complement plus d. Here is a M14 values. A complement plus b complement plus c complement plus d. Final value 15. M15 third row, third column. A complement plus b complement plus c complement plus d complement. Next we have to solve the quad 1. Here is a quad 1. Quad 1 M1 plus M3 plus M5 plus M7. Here quad 1 M1 into M3 into M5 into M7. Next just we have to enter the M1 values. Here is a M1. A plus b plus c plus d complement. A plus b plus c plus d complement as it is. Here is a into, here is a into. Next M3 values. A plus b plus c complement plus d complement. A plus b plus c complement plus d complement. Next m5 values a plus b complement plus c plus d complement, a plus b complement plus c plus d complement. Last m7, here is a m7, a plus b complement plus c complement plus d complement, a plus b complement plus c complement plus d complement. Next we can reduce the first two expression. It is a first expression, next it is a second expression. We can take only same variables. Here is a here is a, we can write the a, next variable b, here is a b, here is a b, we can write the b, next here is a c, here is a c. It is a changing, c plus c complement, it is a 1. That's why we can ignore it. Next here is a d complement, here is a d complement, we can write the d complement. Next we can solve or we can reduce another two expression, it means m5 and m7. Here also we can take only same variables. Here is a, here is a, yes we can write a, next b complement, yes we can write a b complement here. Next here is a c, here is a c complement, just we can ignore it or remove it. Next here is a d complement, here is a d complement, we can write the d complement. Again we can reduce to expression, means here is a, here is a, we can write a here. Next here is a b, here is a b complement, it means we can remove it. Next here is a d complement, here is a d complement, we can write a d complement. Finally we get the quad 1 values a plus d complement. Next we can solve the quad 2 equation, m6 into m7 into m14 into m15. m6 values, here is a m6 value a plus b complement plus c complement plus d, just we can write a plus b complement plus c complement plus d. Next m7 means here is a m7 a plus b complement plus c complement plus d complement, a plus b complement plus c complement plus d complement. Next m14, here is a m14 values, m14 means a complement plus b complement plus c complement plus d. Here we can write the m14 values a complement plus b complement plus c complement plus d. Final value m15, here is a m15 a complement plus b complement plus c complement plus d complement. We can write a complement plus b complement plus c complement plus d complement. Again we can reduce the first two expression, just we can take only same variables. Here is a, here is a, just we can write a here. Next b complement plus b complement, yes we can write a b complement. Here is a c complement, here is a c complement, we can write a c complement. Yes, here d is changes because here is a d, here is a d complement, just we can ignore it. Next one, another two expression means m14 into m15, just we can take a same variables. Here is a complement, here is a complement, we can write a complement here. Next preference, second variable, here is a b complement, here is a b complement, we can write b complement. Next here is a c complement, here is a c complement, we can write c complement. Here d, here is a d complement, it is a different, just we can remove it. Next again we can reduce the two expression, here is a, here is a complement, it means we can ignore it. Next B complement plus C complement, here is also B complement plus C complement, it means we can write a B complement plus C complement, easily we can get a quad 2 values B complement plus C complement. Next one we have to solve the pair 1, here is a M0 plus M1, it is a pair 1 values. Here is a M0 A plus B plus C plus D, just we can write pair 1 equal to M0 into M1 A plus B plus C plus D, A plus B plus C plus D. Next M1 values, here is M1 values A plus B plus C plus D complement, A plus B plus C plus D complement, just we can take only same variables A plus B, A plus B, you can write A plus B. Next another variable C, here is a C, you can write C here. Next final variable, here is a D, here is a D complement, just we can leave it. Finally we get to a pair 1 values A complement plus B complement plus C. Next we have to solve a pair 2, here is a pair 2 M10 into M14, M10 pair 2 equal to M10 into M14. M10 values, here is a M10 A complement plus B plus C complement plus D, we can write here A complement plus B plus C complement plus D. Next M14 values, here is the M14 A complement plus B complement plus C complement plus D, here we can write A complement plus B complement plus C complement plus D. Last step, we can reduce these two expression, we can take only same possible values are a same values. Here is A complement, here is A complement, we can write A complement here. Next B, here is a B complement, it means we can remove it. Next here is a C complement, here is a C complement, we can write C complement here. Plus here is a D, here is a D, we can write D. Finally pair 2 values A complement plus C complement plus D. Hence final reduced Boolean expression or a final POS value. POS means product of some values A plus D complement into B complement plus C complement into A plus B plus C into A complement plus C complement plus D. Next, hence final value A plus D complement, B complement plus C complement, A plus B plus C, A complement plus C complement plus D. Hence finally we get the final POS expression is A plus D complement into B complement plus C complement into A plus B plus C into A complement plus C complement plus D. Next step, we have to draw the logic diagram based on the final expression. Here is a plus D complement, two inputs, just you can pass A, next to variable D. Here is a complement, it means we have to add the NOT gate. Here is a OR operation, it means a OR gate. Next B complement plus C complement. Final output A D complement plus D complement. Next B complement plus C complement. We can pass B, next C, B, C, it means if you pass B, we get to the B B complement, here we get the C complement. Here is a OR operation, just we have to draw the OR gate. Next A, B, C. Here is a A, next here is a B, next C. Here is a C. OR operation, we draw the OR gate. Next A complement plus C complement plus D. Here is a just you can pass A complement. Next C complement, here is a C complement. Next D, here is a D. We draw a OR gate. A complement plus C complement, second input C complement plus third input D, can write D. Next output A first input, next B, next C. Here B complement plus C complement. Finally we can join to the AND gate. Because here using AND operation, dot dot. Finally output A plus D complement into B complement plus C complement into A plus B plus C into A complement plus C complement plus D. This is how we can draw the logic diagram based on the final expression. Next we have to discuss the another problem.